Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in your Hyundai Sonata key fob. First, open the key fob by sliding the release tab and separating the halves carefully with a flat tool or coin. Then remove the old CR2032 battery and note the plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side up, snap the case closed, and test the buttons to confirm successful replacement. Start by taking out the mechanical key and find the small slot or tab to open the fob. Use a coin or thin flat tool to twist and separate the casing without forcing it. Lift out the old CR2032 battery carefully and place the new battery with the plus side facing up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the halves together and slide the mechanical key back in, then test remote functions and door locks to confirm. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, making it easy to play instructions or set timers while you work on your key fob. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a handy companion. Now let's get back to the video. If the key fob still fails after a battery change, open it again and inspect the battery contacts for dirt or corrosion. Gently clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and let them dry before reinserting the battery. Verify the battery is a CR2032 and firmly seated with the plus side up, and ensure no plastic film remains between contacts. If problems persist, test the key fob near the car and consider professional reprogramming if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.